Does it ever bother you having to take care of me?
No. It makes me feel special.
I'll restore the optical properties of the right eye.
You'll be able to count fingers on day 1. By week 4, you should be at 20/50.
I'm gonna have you count backwards from 10.
10, 9.
Gina?
I can like an anchor, you were the tide that kept me in. But even a wave will crash and end.
What's going on?
I just feel like I know everything. Now I don't.
I've seen my wife in a dress like that. I guess it's not really you.
Well, we don't really know what me is, do we?
Who's the guy you were talking to over there?
Did you love me more before?
When you were blind? I could ask you the same thing.
I carried you till I buried you. I can see